Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial part 3 of making this concept car in Blender. Topology is messed up really, but I'll try and make it better in the next video. So I'm just making this, just trying to add improvements to the car here and balancing, fixing what I could fix there. So I use this part for the grills where the vents gonna go in. Just make sure to cover this up. So just in the panel door lines here. And if you haven't checked out part 1 and 2, I recommend you check that out right here. This happened, but somewhere at this point Blender just suddenly crashed and almost everything I did just went away. At this point you just suddenly crashed and I didn't know what to do. I didn't have any backup for that. I kind of cheated here because I just dragged a rim that I modeled before and I just put it back in. If you want to see how to model a rim, yeah, I'll be uploading a video on how to make simple cars in the 90s, and you could check that, how to make rims there. That will be super detailed explanation. Separate the doors and handles, and I use edge crease to sharpen the edges of the car. Snap the rim onto the tires and duplicate the barrel foot rim, place them nicely. The inside model was kind of rough, or was very rough I would say, but it did do the job. I didn't have time to search for reference photos, so I just got my pen and started drawing a chair model. Though it was a little flawless, but it worked very nicely for what I wanted. You can have to learn 3D arts first so that 3D art don't get messed up. Okay, I keep on refining the model until I see what's right. Just matching the edges, roughly shaping it so that I can get what I'm looking for. Okay, things look alright.